Rolex Daytona. I don't know why I'd call this a sub. But this is the Daytona ceramic, and I had to buy this from one of my dealers. It was pretty much brand new when I got it. They had bought it from another local guy, and they have a authorized Rolex watchmaker on site that authenticated it, and it came as a full set, and just an absolute gorgeous watch. I'd never really been a fan of the Daytonas until they came out with the ceramic, and when they did, I just kind of fell in love. I personally wanted a white because I feel like the white Panda is a little bit more legible, but this watch just looks good in any outfit. Doesn't matter what you're wearing. You can wear jeans that are all cut up and a t-shirt, and it's gonna look killer. Definitely an eye catcher. Definitely can get attention, which I don't really like very much, to be honest. But it looks great, fantastic, very, very comfortable as well. One of the probably top 10 most comfortable watches I've ever owned. I can wear this all day. It's got the quick adjust, 5mm adjust on it, and it just looks fantastic. Always looks great. So that's it, guys. That is actually that's my current collection. Well, not current, half of my collection. The other half I'll do a quick video, but make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe. You have no idea how much it helps when you guys subscribe. It kind of helps give me direction on where to go with the channel, and then also, the more subscribers we have, the more the channel grows. And I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so please help me get there. And also, make sure to comment. If there's anything you want to comment about the video, please feel free to do so, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.